What are you doing, Zoe?
I don't even remember them.
What?
I never
What are you
heard of
making?
them before. I never made them
You
up.
decorating cookies?
It's like Cooper.
Zachary, open that for
and
me.
Emma. Wait, not Emma. Wait, yeah, technically, because she is one of my friends, but not my best.
No.
What are you doing, Co?
This is not the cake. Pomade.
Can I just like make a hole in it?
I think so.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree.
Is that all you know?
Oh, Christmas tree. Yeah, Christmas tree. Your light's so bright.
Let me see your cookies, Zoe. Oh, he's so nice.
Daddy.
It's Daddy? That's a nice Daddy.
Baby, too.
Very pretty.
I just get my sprinkles all over the place.
Try not to.
Mommy, let's go to banana.
Wow, that's because you're putting way too much on.
Mommy, I draw.
Zachary.